They're able to shift attention. I got to talking to somebody who was an air traffic controller the other day, and he said, "Oh, air traffic controllers are ADHD." I looked up some of the stuff on the air traffic controller aptitude test. It's everything I would be bad at. Having to keep, that'd be the last job. Oh, let me lay out the airport. I'll be good at that. But air traffic controller, you got to keep be juggling these different planes in your head, remembering exactly what the pilot said, and you're looking at where the plane is on the radar. I'm going, ugh. I looked at that just last night. That's a totally different kind of mind. And some of those are neurodivergent because some of the sensory problems are the same. Some of the social problems are the same, but they're good at something. They have a skill that I absolutely would be terrible at. Air traffic controller would be a horrible job for me. Where designing airports, that would be where I could really shine. Because I thinking about how to handle the lines. I got to talking to somebody the other day. He designs airport furniture. And we were talking about, there's some really nice furniture layouts, but you can't cram them in these small gate rooms at some of these airports. See, I see that. And I said, as an older person right now, I know the Houston airport's beautiful, but one thing I hate there is there's not enough places to sit. And there's one kind of desk at that airport I despise. It's where you've got people sitting facing each other using their computers. I really, really despise that. Most people do. Don't put those in. You see, now as I'm discussing it, I'm seeing it, but I'm an older person now, and I get really frustrated if I can't find a place to sit near where I can watch the boarding door, and I need to pay attention because I don't hear announcements that well. Where I can see the plane come up to the jet bridge, I can see the door open, see people get off. I've almost missed flights when I can't sit where I can see the boarding door.
And
these things coming up in my mind as pictures, but you can have someone who's got some autistic traits that has a skill.
So for researchers that are coming towards the end of their time in academia and looking to go off into the real world and get a paying job, do you have any advice to how they might find those back doors or how they might make that transition?
Go to conferences.